What's stopping your money from working as hard as you do? If your finances feel like they're slipping away or just idling, 2025 is the perfect year to take control. Budgeting isn't about cutting out every coffee or living like a monk. It's about creating a plan that powers your dreams, whether that's a debt-free life, a new car, or a retirement fund that lets you chill on a beach someday. With rising costs, new side hustle opportunities, and apps making money management smoother, now's the time to set bold financial goals and build a budget that sticks. Dream big with specific financial goals. Imagine a life where money stress doesn't exist. What does it look like? Start 2025 by defining clear financial goals that excite you. Think about short-term targets, like saving $1,500 for a new laptop by June, midterm plans, like paying off $8,000 in credit card debt by 2027, and long-term visions, like saving $40,000 for a home down payment by 2030. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. Instead of get better with money, aim for save $150 monthly for a $1,800 emergency fund by December 2025. Write these down in a notebook or app, as studies suggest this boosts commitment. Check in every 3 months to adjust for new income or expenses, keeping your eye to goals alive and relevant throughout the year. Map your financial starting point. How well do you know your money's habits? Before crafting a budget, get a clear picture of your finances. Add up all income sources, your day job, freelance gigs, or even small earnings from selling old clothes online. Then, track your expenses, including fixed costs like rent, variable ones like groceries, and irregular ones like annual subscriptions. List debts, such as student loans or car payments, noting their interest rates, and tally savings, like your 401k or emergency fund. Use free apps like Mint or a simple spreadsheet to analyze 3 months of bank statements, revealing patterns like overspending on takeout. Calculate your net worth by subtracting liabilities from assets. Pick a budgeting style that fits you. What if budgeting could feel like a game you're winning? In 2025, choose a method that matches your vibe. The 50-30-20 rule is great for simplicity, sending 50% of your income to essentials like housing, 30% to fun stuff like concerts, and 20% to savings or debt. If you crave control, a zero-based budget assigns every dollar a job, bills, savings, or snacks until nothing's left. Overspenders might love a digital envelope system via apps like Good Budget, which limits spending in categories like dining out. Alternatively, the pay-yourself-first approach prioritizes savings, like auto-transferring $100 monthly to hit a $1,200 goal. Build a starter emergency fund. What's your plan when life throws a $1,000 surprise? An emergency fund is your financial safety net, protecting your goals from unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs. In 2025, aim for a $1,000 starter fund, which you can achieve by saving $84 monthly. Once that's secure, work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses, around $10,000 to $20,000 for most. Open a high-yield savings account, where interest rates might hit 4% or more in 2025, to grow your money faster. Set up an automatic transfer the day after payday through your bank app. Outsmart your debt. Does debt feel like it's holding your paycheck hostage? You can break free with a smart plan. Start by listing all debts, including balances and interest rates, to see the full picture. The snowball method tackles smaller debts first, like a $400 store card before a $4,000 loan, for quick wins that boost motivation. The avalanche method prioritizes high-interest debts, like a 22% APR credit card, to save money long-term. In 2025, explore refinancing options if interest rates drop, and use apps like Undebt Ida to track your progress. Commit at least 10% of your budget to debt repayment. Automate your financial wins. What if your savings grew without you lifting a finger? Automation is your secret weapon in 2025. Set up recurring transfers like $50 every 2 weeks to a travel fund or emergency. Savings. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to grab that free money, or put $100 monthly into a Roth IRA for retirement. For investing, apps like Acorns or Robinhood make it easy to funnel $25 weekly into low-cost index funds or fractional shares, building wealth over time. In 2025, funds like Vanguard's VTI are solid picks for steady growth. Automation takes willpower out of the equation, ensuring your goals stay on track even during hectic months. Trim expenses without losing joy. Can you save money and still enjoy life? Absolutely. In 2025, cut costs strategically to free up cash. For your goals, review subscriptions like streaming services or gym memberships and drop one to save $50 monthly or $180 yearly. Share plans with family to split costs. Plan weekly meals, shop with a list, and try apps like Flash Food for discounted groceries, saving $50 monthly. Switch to energy-efficient bulbs, unplug devices, or negotiate your internet bill to shave $10–20 monthly. A quick call to your phone or insurance provider might cut $200 yearly. Supercharge your income. What if a few extra hours could fund your dreams? Boosting your income in 2025 makes budgeting easier. Try freelancing on platforms like Fiverr. Offering skills like editing or social media management, $100 weekly adds $5–200 yearly. Sell unused items like old electronics or clothes on eBay or Poshmark, aiming for $500 over the year. Micro gigs such as app testing on user testing or pet sitting via Rover pay $10–20 per task. Promote your services on X to attract local clients. Even 5 hours weekly at 20-hour adds $5–200, which can wipe out debt or grow your savings faster than cutting expenses alone. Review and tweak monthly. How do you know your budget's actually working? A monthly check-in keeps you aligned with your goals. Use an app or spreadsheet to compare what you plan to spend versus what you actually spent. If you went overboard on online shopping, scale back next month. If you got a bonus, put half toward savings. In 2025, AI-driven apps like Copilot can predict spending patterns, making adjustments smoother. Set aside 30 minutes each month for this review, maybe with a favorite snack to make it feel less like a chore. Keep the motivation alive. What's the secret to sticking with your budget? Staying motivated turns financial discipline into a rewarding journey. In 2025, create a vision board on Canva or a physical one with images of your goals, a paid-off loan, or a dream trip. Share your plans with a trusted friend or join X communities like TAR Money Mindset for support. Celebrate milestones like saving $500 with a $15 treat like a new book. Keep learning with a monthly money blog, like Money Under 30, or podcasts, like The Money Nerds. Apps like Fortune City gamify budgeting, letting you build a virtual world as you spend wisely. These habits make 2025 a year of financial wins you'll actually enjoy. Budgeting in 2025 is about blending strategy with personality. Set bold goals, choose a budgeting style that clicks, and automate savings to make progress effortless. Cut costs cleverly, boost your income, and check in monthly to stay on course. Above all, make your budget yours. It should reflect your life, not a finance guru's rulebook. With these 10 steps, you're not just managing money, you're building a future you'll love. What's your first move? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.